Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The Supreme Court took serious cognizance of the situation on ground level and pointed out that the agitation involves senior citizens, women and children at the roads, exposing them to grave health hazards during the cold and pandemic. Full stop. Consequently, it has further resulted in a few deaths due to serious illness and also by way of suicide. Full stop. The Supreme Court, while considering the seriousness of the situation, also observed that the agitation has been carried out peacefully by the farmers and without any untoward incident. Full stop. Stanza. The Supreme Court was informed by the learned Attorney General that the farmers' bodies may take out a tractor trolley oblique rally on 26/1/2021 to disrupt the Republic Day parade. However, the same was denied by the council representing the farmers. Full stop. Stanza. Therefore, view of this situation, the Supreme Court ordered for the constitution of a committee of experts in the field of agriculture to negotiate between the farmers and the government of India. Full stop. The Supreme Court, while passing the order dated 12/1/2021, further observed that a stay of implementation of all the three farm laws in view of the present circumstances may assuage the hurt feelings of the farmers and encourage them to come to the negotiating table with confidence and good faith. Full stop. Stanza. The learned Attorney General objected the stay of implementation of laws on the ground that the petitioners who approached this court against the farm laws have not been able to show any provision which is detrimental to the farmers. Full stop. He further contended that the laws enacted by the parliament cannot be stayed by the judiciary when there is a presumption in favor of the constitutionality of legislation. Full stop. The Supreme Court, while appreciating the contentions, observed that this court cannot be said to be completely powerless to grant stay of any executive action under a statutory enactment. Full stop. Stanza. Thus, the Supreme Court, after considering different views, passed the interim order dated 12/1/2021 and stayed the implementation of the farm laws with an expectation that both the parties will attempt to arrive at a fair, equitable, and just solution to the disputes. Full stop. As a result, the minimum support system in existence before the enactment of the farm laws shall be maintained until further orders. Full stop. It further added that the farmers' land holdings shall be protected. Full stop. A committee comprising farmers' bodies will be constituted for the purpose of listening to the concerns of the farmers relating to the farm laws and views ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, फुल स्टॉप एंड ओवर। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।